too much. I don't want to say too much. Oh gosh, girl. A table for two? Heavy on it. We'll take 2 of those. Hey besties, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. If you are returning, you know I love you like I love cooked food, and welcome back. So you guys, the other day I went into Ulta, right? Of course I was trying to get my nose on Drake's new fragrance, Summer Mink. Walked in, I was super excited. I had prepared to buy it, and I was just like, okay, let me do a wear test. Let me walk around the store. Let me see what's tea. Picked it up, smelled it, sprayed it on, and to be honest with you, it wasn't a love at first sniff. I wasn't wowed by it. I wasn't really moved. I wasn't taken back. I wasn't transported. I wasn't anything, girl guy. I was just like, it's nice. It's cute, but you know what I mean? That was my vibe. That was my feeling. It was musky. It was sweet. It was nice. This is my blotter card here. It does smell like a man, a distinguished man, although I do get that it's universal. I do feel that it could be worn year round. I don't get like summer vibes. I mean, I definitely get winter, spring, summer, fall. I get man, woman, boy, child, human. I do find it to lean more sweet, but it does have a masculinity vibe to it as well, but not over masculine. Like it's just giving like girl, guy, him, her, they, who are we. Anybody that wants to can put it on and rock it. That's what it's giving. Like I said, it was sweet. It had clary, sage, which kind of stood out, rose, spices, vetiver down in the base. It was a nice fragrance, however, it just didn't have enough oomph for me. And I know that's kind of crazy. I just didn't like love it. And even smelling it now, I'm like, it's okay, but I'm not wowed by it. You know what I mean? It just wasn't enough to get me to take it up to the register and give them my credit card for it. If you give it to me, well, I don't know. And I don't even know, to be honest with you, I don't even know if I would want my guy to smell like this. Like, I don't know if I'm hearing this vibe. It's giving a little, like, I don't even know how to say it, but I don't know, I don't get sexy from this. Like, not in the vibe or the realm that I would find my guy to be sexy. This isn't the vibe that I would categorize it or put it in. If you all have smelled it, please let me know your thoughts and opinion. However, I will say a pro, it did get on my skin, hold me tight and not let me go. I did get a good, I would say about 6-7 hours. I put it on, I sprayed it on heavy and stored heavy on it, heavy, right? And I was like, oh my gosh, okay, not 7 o'clock at night before my shower and it's still giving, but it was. So yes, Drake's new fragrance, I will say congratulations. It is nice, it is good. I don't take any credit away from that. However, girl guide, hello, it's not for me. I move on. I did look at the candles. Out of all the candles, Sweeter Things was my favorite. I look for a candle as well as a fragrance to be a heavy hitter, to be strong, to project, to have sillage, and none of the candles were giving that except for Sweeter Things. So that's the one that I fell in love with. So I'll probably be picking that up. Can't really say for sure, but that's the one that I'm thinking I'm leaning more towards. I received this in the mail from my bestie. Keitra sent this over to me. I have been seeing this. I didn't get the vacation scent from Kayali when they first sent it out. I'm not on Kayali's PR, so I never even got it, didn't even know about it. Like I said, it was just like out there, so I thought it was a new launch. So I'm calling Keitra up like, and I'm like, girl, did they come out with a new launch? And she's like, no, that's the vacation launch. They just came out with full-size bottles. So I popped over into Sephora and I'm like, oh my God, like I'm loving the yellow one. Girl, you know I don't know the name, right? So I'm like, I'm loving the yellow one. What is it even called? Capri? Is it called Capri? Yeah, Capri. And I was like, and she was like, you doing? I was like, yeah. And she was like, I'm gonna send you the Discovery set. Is that what it's called? Or am I making that up? The vacay in a bottle, the miniature set. And she sent it to me, so thank you. So I have all of them. I can only speak to you about Capri in a bottle, Lemon Sugar 14, because this is the one that I love, you guys. It is so good. You know my vacations are coming up. So I am definitely packing this entire set and I'm taking it with me. I was just like blown away. I sprayed this in store and I was like, oh, okay, sold. This is good. It smells like an iced lemon pound cake. Let me see if I have the notes here. Oh yeah, okay. Lemon, sugar, freesia, raspberry, vanilla, and musk. It's right there in the lifestyle of where I'm at. If you haven't tried these, I would highly recommend them, especially for summer. If you're just wanting that vacation vibe, vacay in a bottle, definitely I will highly recommend these. I also would say the blue one, oh my God, it's good too. I haven't played with it though, but it's really good. This one is called Maldives in a bottle. I guess they're all called names. And what is this one called? The green one. This one is called Maui. Ooh, Maui in a bottle. I like this. Did you guys, I had no idea, okay? Pick somebody else. I had no idea. I love these. These are really good. And they're so perfect for vacation because they're just miniature bottles. So yeah, I'm gonna pack all of them up and take them. And then this one is, oh, what is this called? Orange Blossom 24. So I will play with these and I will be back to run it back. I can only vouch for Capri in a bottle because I wore that one. It gave me a great longevity. I mean, I would say 4 or 5 hours. You guys, I don't look for a whole longevity. Like I said, I'm layering body cream, body oil, body sprays. Believe me, if you're getting on me, you're going nowhere because I've definitely secured the deal and the perimeter. I move on. This is cuteness. I hope I'm gonna say this name right. I hope it's Jesu. If I didn't say the name right, I don't want to hear it. Don't tell me, I'll practice it with Google Translate, but I think it's called Jesu. These are a hair perfume to gently scent and freshen your hair. There's 3 of them here: wildflower honey, lavender berry, and wild rose. I've already played with these as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've already shared these with you guys. This is what they look like here. The thing that I love most about these is that it's a nice sprayer. My favorite one out of all of them is wild rose. I mean, you probably would have guessed that already. And I love it because you can just put it in your hair and it's actually a spray bottle. Oh, I love this. It has a good mist on it. It sprays out and it's really nice. Here's what your mister looks like. You see, oh my gosh, it smells so good. What are the notes in here? Do we have the notes here? Okay, so this one is made with wild rose, vanilla, and bergamot. Our lavender berry one has inside of it, it's kind of earthy. It has lavender, blackberry leaves, and ginger, and I will say that that does have that. I played with all of these. And then we have wildflower honey. That one smells a lot like honey. Like if you're here for a honey time, apricot, citrus, a mandarin, it definitely is giving off those vibes. I don't think you can go wrong. You guys, I don't know where I was at the other day. Where was I? Oh, I was at the Trader Joe's. I don't know why this always happens to me at Trader Joe's. You know, Trader Joe's is more of a intimate type of store. It's very like small, at least ours is. The one that I had in Chicago was kind of small too. The one I had in Arizona was kind of small. Yeah, all the ones that I've been to have pretty much been kind of small, right? So you know how you're going in, you're automatically looking at the flowers that are all along the wall when you come in, and then you're always looking to see what's in the center display, like what do they have today, what's new. Every time I go into Trader Joe's, let me know if you're like this too. It feels like it's a treasure hunt. I'm like, okay, what am I looking for today? No matter how much I know, or no matter how well I think I know what I'm looking for, it always distracts me. So they had peonies in the middle of the floor for $9.99, and I was like, okay, so I was heading over there. I made a V-line with my shopping cart, right? This lady flew in front of me. No big deal. We were both excited. And all I got a whiff of was her hair. And I was just like, oh, let me give her my channel so she can see my hair shampoo. I just don't understand it. Like, what is it about it? Like, you may not be able to go 2 to 3 days without washing your hair. You might need some dry shampoo. Living Proof sent me over some of their dry shampoo and their other stuff. I haven't used it yet, but if I love it, I'll be back to share it with you. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, I got another fragrance from Cirque de la Soul. I probably am saying that one. You guys, this is good. I had no idea. This is really good. The bottle was cute too. I left it in the package because I thought it was super cute too. I already played with this. You guys, this smells like popcorn. This smells like an edible fragrance, but when I don't even have any more. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's gonna make me sneeze. This smells so good. Let me say this. It's long lasting. It got on me and it held me tight. It developed a tad bit as it got on my skin. The longer I had it on, the deeper it meshed with my body chemistry, and it was so good. It just felt very gourmand-ish. Let me see if I could pull up some of the notes. So inside of this fragrance, we have sweet caramel, vanilla. It's kind of powdery, lactonic a little bit. That could be the drawback. I'm not necessarily sure that I'm loving lactonic fragrances, if I were to be honest with you. Blanche Bed, I felt it for a second, but then trying to wear it on my skin, I gifted it away because I was just like, you know what, this is not me. It does have a little bit of a fruity aspect to it, but it's not a juicy, sweet fruity note to it that's inside of it. It's got apple, bergamot. It is rich. I told you I smell popcorn. I knew I smell popcorn. Y'all know, if you follow me on Instagram, I eat popcorn every single night. Skinny Pop, the Trader Joe's brand. I just look for the lower calorie ones, but I am a popcorn girl through and through. It's the best snack ever at night. I absolutely love it. And it's low calories. It's got freesia in it, iris, like I said, amber, sandalwood. It is really good. I definitely feel it's gourmand-ish, but not in a bad way, because it's definitely not giving pancake syrup. So I quite like it. Like I said, I got a great longevity from it. It got on me, held me tight, and did not let me go. So I was extremely excited about that. That one was really good. So I will say that this is good. I did play with it. I don't know where I'm gonna compartmentalize it. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in a date night category, a sleep category. It's definitely a bit much for me to wear in the daytime, I think, especially in this, hot weather, especially in humidity. I can't do it. It's a bit too sweet and stuffy for me. But in a cool, tropical, breezy, if I wanted to give off something like a little sweeter, definitely I would rock this. But if I wanted to wear it in this heat, I would need it to be a little bit more juicy when it comes to a fruitier note. If you got that, hit the like button. If you didn't, it doesn't matter. Over here, we just smash buttons. So go ahead, smash a button. I move on. Because fragrances are totally not slowing down, okay? We are like, what, 6-7 months in the year now, and they are still coming as if somebody said, flood the gates with fragrance, okay? And that doesn't mean you have to buy every single one, but all the new ones that I get, I'm gonna share my thoughts and opinion with you so that if you want to, you will have my thoughts and opinion on it. Now, this one here is from Harlem Company, and shout out to the brand. They are officially in Sephora. And I am so excited for the brand. Congratulations. They have 3 new fragrances that have actually come out. They have Showgirl, Langston, and Golden Muse. The fragrance that I have to share with you today is Golden Muse. This is how they look. I like the bottle. The bottle's pretty. I saved it. I normally don't save boxes, but I wanted to share this with you guys. I even love how everything was done. So simplistic, but yet elegant, very classy, very tasteful, sun-kissed, solar seductive. And I will say it's definitely giving a sun-kissed vibe. It's definitely giving a solar vibe. So inside of this fragrance, we have orange, vanilla, amberwood, and musk inside of this one. And I've already played with it. And it is solar, but you guys know what? It doesn't smell anything like any of the ones that I have or had. It doesn't give me Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, a little bit. It's in that realm a little bit, but nowhere near there. I don't find it to be as sweet. This smells, oh God, but it's good though. I definitely get like the fresher notes inside of this, but it's really good. I don't think you can go wrong. I haven't smelled the other ones. I cannot give you anything on those, but this one that I do have here, Golden Muse, it is really good. You can find these and shop these at Sephora. I believe they went live on June 19th. I could be making that up. Nevertheless, this video is after that date, so they're definitely in there now. Shout out again to the Harlem Perfume Company. Thank you so much for sending this over, and congratulations on a major accomplishment, a major success for them to be inside of Sephora. That is huge. So congratulations, darling, and thank you. I move on. God, how long is this video? Oh God, it's about to be a long one. This brand, I believe it's called Hani or Hani, I believe. This is a water bomb, and this right here is a splash, and this is an in-shower moisturizer treatment. So I have been playing with this because I wanted to check it out before I even brought it over to you guys. Let me show you the name of the brand because I know I probably butchered it up. I always like you guys to know, like, before I bring stuff like this over, I like to use it so I can speak to it. For me, it said to put it all over your body once you're done washing, cleaning, shaving, whatever, right? Put it all over your skin. And it said, do not use your hands or a towel. Just go under the water and let it come off and rinse off. And it didn't rinse off for me like that. Like, I don't know if I put too much. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed a little bit, so I don't know if I put too much, but I had to use my hands to get it off because it was not leaving. Girl, guy, I was like, what's tea? I was in there for a minute, like, trying to get it off. You see that balm that it gives? So it is nice. I will say this. When I got out of the shower, after letting it all rinse off, and I did help it along with my hands, my skin did feel very soft. I will say that it felt very soft, and then you're supposed to get out of the shower and put on the Intense Hydration Body Mist, which is this one here, and it's a water balm. This is what this is, and shout out to the brand. Thank you so much for sending this over. I truly appreciate you for skin that's supple and not sticky, and I will say that. I'll spray a little here. Oh gosh, girl, excuse you. Anyways, I'm gonna spray a little here. That's how the spray comes out. So it is like this, which is really nice. It doesn't leave you sticky, but it definitely leaves you with a little bit of a balm, like moisture and water. I probably should have just sprayed that on my hands. Girl, what are you doing? Every time y'all come over, I have to start demonstrating stuff. But this is how it looks. You see it dripping down here, but it's not sticky at all. It's really nice. I guess you would say that's hydration. I've never used, I don't think, let me not misspeak. I don't think I've ever used this as a hydration, but do you see it there on the shoulders? It doesn't stay like this. It kind of dries a little bit. It does leave you moisturized. If you haven't tried it, I would recommend checking it out, especially if you have dry, dull, cracked, ashy skin and you're looking for a way to bring it to life and rejuvenate it and put some moisture back in it and give your skin a little extra TLC. I would definitely say to check it out. So you see there, just in that amount of time, it's dry, you guys. It's like basically dry. It still gives a little bit of a tacky vibe, but not a sticky vibe, which I can appreciate. And it'll probably dry down even more so. So yeah, I would say check that out if you're looking for something. I think that's it. Oh my gosh. micoliff came out with a home collection. You guys, hold on. I've got to show you this and then I've got to go because you know I don't like long videos. This video is already at 25 minutes. Do you see this here? This was sent over by our friends at micoliff, and they came out with a beautiful candle. They also came out with a room spray, and then they also came out with a reed diffuser. This would be gorgeous for anybody's home. If you wanted to gift this to anybody, you see this here? I can't hold it with one hand. You're gonna pour this inside of here and then put your reed diffusers in. This is the room spray, and then this is the candle. Maybe I'll take it apart and show you. These are the reed diffusers that it came with. micoliff, you know how to make a girl feel... No, I didn't. Yes, I did. This right here was so special. I absolutely loved it. You guys, I sprayed it in my rooms already. It smells like a luxurious vacation, like you're out somewhere fancy and luxurious. And they all, I believe, have like kind of a different scent. I'll play with the candle a little bit more. I can vouch right now for the room spray because that's the only thing that I've sprayed and I've smelt it. And it stayed lingering in the air for a few hours. So I would definitely say if you like your home to smell good as well as your body, hello, definitely check this out. You will not be disappointed. It is super, super good. I'll be back to run it back. Again, thank you so much to micoliff for sending this over. I move on. All right, you guys, that is it for today, okay? I have so much stuff around me. I will pick it up and we will continue this another day. It is hot in here. I mean, really hot. The sun is shining down. The birds are singing. Not really. This is a, what is it? Collagen. A collagen drink. I ordered these collagen drinks from Amazon and I mix them in here. I put a splash of diet cranberry juice and then this and then ice and then I put some berries in so I could look like I'm having like a refreshing, amazing, luxurious like kind of cocktail, but not really. And that's what this is. So it's so good. I don't know if the collagen is doing anything. It's supposed to help with your hair, your nails, your skin. I mean, the people say that I'm glowing. It could just be that it's hot and I'm sweating. Or it might be that I'm really glowing. I don't know. My skin is doing really good right now. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to say too much. I don't want to say too much. I don't want to say too much. But yeah, the skin is glowing. I showed you guys in the last video my hair update. So the hair is thriving. My nails aren't... Yes, they are growing too. Girl, guy, it might be working. I had no idea. Let me play with it a little bit more and then I'll be back to share it with you guys as well. All right, besties, I love you. I will see you in the next one. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you like I love cooked food. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.